the first thing is this a self-pay and self-use? If so, that product really needs to be designed so that a user can open it out of the package and understand what to do with it and do it right, do it safely. That's a key requirement for any over-the-counter kind of product. So that's a completely different consideration. You won't have the benefit of a training course or, let's say, a sort of a training organization to support physicians and so on. This is putting it right out there, right to your target customer, and they're going to have to figure it out how to use it themselves. So that's on the design perspective. The user-friendliness and the obviousness and simplicity of the instructions is absolutely key. And ideally, the product has very little steps to use and is very, very hard to use in an unsafe mode. When a physician is involved in implementing the technology, of course, any technology you want to make easy to use, but you do have a little bit more flexibility in sort of the scope of the experience and technical ability that the user has when you're focusing on a physician as the user rather than, let's say, the customer themselves as the user. It's a little bit more like a traditional device, but when there's self-pay involved, there needs to be some mechanism of marketing directly to consumer. Sometimes the physician can do that themselves, but often companies may find the need to sort of go direct to consumer in various means, magazines, articles, PR, et cetera, or advertising in large media or small media, local media ways to help them appreciate the value that's being attributed to the invention. So yeah, that is one of the differences that one has when one's looking at a self-pay market where a physician's implementing the technology versus the, let's say, user themselves.